Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you girls how to do some DIY mink lashes. Enjoy! Alright, so this is when I started applying the lashes. So basically, all you do is with your angled tweezer, right? You just grab a small amount, dip it a little bit in the glue on the edge. Then you want to brush the sides so it can like cluster together and it'll fan out naturally on its own. Once you do that, you apply it underneath your lash, almost to the waterline, but not on top of the waterline. And bada boom, bada bang. So basically that's just me doing the same process, repeating it over and over again until I feel like it's pretty, full enough. And I wasn't going for like some crazy, stupid, voluminous type of lash. I wanted it like a little classic, but with a little volume to it. Just a little, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see. Alright, so at this point I started wrapping up this lash, and ooh, look at that thing, girl, look at that thing. Yes, girl. Okay, period. This is the first time I've done this, by the way, with these type of lashes. I used to do the cluster lashes back in the day on people, you know what I'm saying, charge a little $25 or whatever, but your girl always been into the beauty, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's time to let it loose. Some glue had got stuck. If you use like hair glue like I did, just try to be careful with it, because it can get real tacky or whatever. Next time I do it, I may do it with Ardell. I just wanted to use the hair glue because I never did it like this before. So like I knew if I screwed up really bad, the hair glue is pretty easy to take off. Ardell, you need a little bit of baby oil with that one. But yeah, I like these. I'm so excited.